How to download and install Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 in your mobile device. If you own iOS, then open your App Store. But if you own Android, then open your Play Store. Once you go through any of this, then on the searching bar, search for Poppy Playtime 4. Check if it is available in your region or not. If it is available, then simply hit on the Get. For that, you need to have USD 3.99. It is not a free application, so you have to pay USD 3.99. Once you do that, it is successfully installed in your mobile device. In this way, you can easily download and install Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 in your mobile device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.